Good morning, students. I am Renu Joshi, your GK teacher. Now, today I'm coming with your with a topic that is called that we call immortal saying, like the saying which never have any end. So there are many kind peoples who say something and it gets immortal. So let's read what are their quotes. We will read it one by one. The first one is where wealth accumulates, men decay. Like he wants to say that the writer was Goldsmith. He wants to say that when you try to accumulate the wealth, so men will be definitely going to its end. So there is no need to accumulate the wealth if you are not happy with that. So this is the saying with the Goldsmith. Our saying second saying is I came, I saw, I conquered. So what is that meaning? Like he want to say that he is William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare wants to say that, like when he's an author, he's well author, as you all know. So he want to say that when he is also a priest, so he oftenly do the plays for the audience, like whenever they went for the play. So just he want to say that he came there and all saw them, and then he conquered their hearts simply. So our third saying is reading make a full man. So I have already told you reading is a best part, like which makes you better and better day by day. So this is the only thing. Here Francis Bacon also wants to say that reading makes a full man. So our fourth one is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. It is saying it is a saying from our freedom fighter, like the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The our fourth saying is truth and non-violence are my god. So it is a saying by the Mahatma Gandhi, and you all well knows he is the father of the nation also. Like this is a saying which said by him. Our fifth saying is give me blood, I'll give you freedom. So it is said by the Subhash Chandra Bose. Like he was also freedom fighter, he was fighting for our freedom. So that is why he said give me blood, I'll give you freedom. The seventh one is superstitious is the religion of feeble minds. Like those not having the strong mind, they are having the feeble minds. They believe in the superstition. Like there is no thing like the superstitions. So be practical, don't be the superstitious. And it is said by the Edmund Burke. Our eighth saying is better to reign in hell than serve in heaven. So they Milton want to say that if you are in the hell and you are just ruling over there, you are not serving there, you are just overcoming over that. So it is much better than to live in the heaven and going on the purpose of serving here. So it is better to reign in hell than serve in heaven. So ninth one is good government is no substitute to self government. So the thing is that firstly you should be the self government, then try to be a government to be the good. So it is said by the Morley. Our tenth saying is our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thought. Like whenever we feel sad, we are having some saddest thought in ourselves. So it is the sweetest song which remember those facts. So it is said by the Shelley. So that's all for the today, students. Now I'll come with my another video. Thank you, everyone.